They are going to be done in the place tonight. And as you can see, we got it right here. Courtesy of Yalas Wholesale, which have been doing great for the festival. And here is the beautiful Sandy, who has been doing a marvelous job community. We have to give her a community award because she has been doing excellent. I wish that most businesses in Yalas would participate in our community like Sandy does. Yalas Wholesale, one of the best wholesale.
Market Road Wholesale.
Yes, Market Road Wholesale. I'll have to correct that on Market Road Wholesale. One of the best wholesale in St. Thomas. That is community oriented. Make sure you spend your money at a good wholesale. Thank you. All right. And here is the lovely young ladies. So make sure you buy out the bar. And they are the best. And from Market Road, wholesale, all the best. All right. Thank you, ladies. Hi. Maria and nephew, Fetias. Yes. We're live right here with Wave Tech. Right here at the Yalas Civic Community Festival right now. And do remember to visit the vendors right on my left-hand side over here. We got Tonka fish, we got all the jerk chickens, the best jerk chicken in St. Thomas and probably Jamaica. Big up everyone. Make sure that you come down to the Yalas Chicken Festival. We got everything that you need right here and have the most fun in the world. MCK, Jam TV, Seto, and non-stop Seto. Hey. And here is her secretary. She's getting some jewelry right now from Marvin. So Marvin, tell us a little bit, where are you located? Where can we get some jewelry?
Well, right now I'm in Morant Bay Town.
Yes.
Right across the road from Fancy Williams.
Yes.
And if you want your natural coconut oil, I have it here.
Natural coconut oil. What do you grow?
It's all about a family event.
Yes.
You don't know, it's all about Yalas Chicken Festival. You understand what I say? Clearances, go and get the kids over there. So it's all about $1,000.
My cook shop, you get healthy food, no powder cheese, no butter, no milk, no cheese. Real healthy.
And this is organic. We're going to organic.
I tell you.
Hello, Discovery.
What is the MCK production?
I use this one and do it.
Yalas Civic Committee.
Oh, guess what? Yeah, the fine set.
Mr. P. Hello, Empress. All right. And here's Mr. P live from the Yalas Chicken Festival right here.
Right.
Representing the Plantain Gardens.
Checking out the roads on. Nice.
All right. Naturally Rastafari. Marcus Garvey. Eat what you grow what you eat right here, live and direct. And this is how we do the roast breadfruit right here in Jamaica. Yalas, St. Thomas with it. Land of Paul Bogle, Nani, Kojo. Up, you mighty race. Jah, Rastafari. Blaze, more fire, hotter fire. Rasta. Jah is great, love we say, love every time. So we do it. our people. Up, up, you mighty race. Breadfruit a runway, but no watch nothing. MCK Jam TV, live right here at Hot Fire. Here at the Ganja Village, Breadfruit a runway, all natural. Eat what you grow what you eat. Jamaica's best food. General Discovery, Canada General Discovery Jamaica. Organic, organic, organic all the way.
In the building, all the fathers, all the beautiful kids. So me I say big up the police officers them. You want them remember to take care of the people them cause you don't know that something go. You know what I say? Big up the real man them come forward to make baby and take care of them. Maybe you don't say I vote. I Jack Horan. That's what me trap me deal with it, man. Full rest! Reaching out to all the parents out there. We ready for this, youngers? Right now I got my family depending on the other man. No job, no remittance, sending to pay. Pull up, fire! Pull up! That me mean, no man them love when the man them take care of the pig, them will say I vote. Give me the truck again from Full rap! Jack Horan! Rastafari! Already alas! Right now I got my family depending on the I got no job, no remittance, sending to pay. Mr. Hungry up to know we not gonna make it in the mind. If I even make the family have to try, cause I'm a daddy now, very hard. Jamino, pull up again. Pull up. Hey, you know. Hey, right now I got my family depending on the I got no job, no remittance, sending to pay. Mr. Hungry up to know, but now go make it in the mind. If I even make the family have to try, cause I'm a daddy now, very hard. Jamino big, every man I say it's hard. Daddy now, I'm a family, I had. Me now, what about that? Right now, my baby ball is minimum to in the yard. We can't go on but tell him say nothing now go on. We have to chat the farm, plant banana and the yam. We tell them to open a mouth for bust no can. Well then, this ain't the time for me to sit down and build back. You fall sitting in the kitchen and veranda to feel that. Hey, hungry out and poor and me have to go kill that. That's why me plan the food for the hilltop. So, right now I got no family depending on the I got no job. Worry me can't sending to the eye. Mr. Hungry up to know but now go make you think them. If I even little, what about you? So let me hear now. Daddy now, working very hard. Jamino big, every man a say hard. Daddy now, I'm a family I had. Education is the right tool, my son happy of that. Me make him go to school, well I know it's not job that. Don't want him be no fool or take things and rap that. The right word me want him to try that. Tell them say, things are not the same anymore. Can't sit down with me friends and play game anymore. Hey, me can't watch Pride and Shame anymore. That's why me kill up the style for rant, I vote. Right now I got my family depending on the I got no job. Glory be and sending to me. Mr. Hungry up to second. Money and baby. We don't have no time for crime and violence. You know see what happen right now, man. Too much of the girls them other than the youth. Yo, you hear me give me track too. Some man say them a bad man. When them got jailhouse and that song them a sing. You don't want to hear it, jealous? Hear some boy we say them bad at jail. That song ya. Take up. up, man. Me tell you, son of voltage, I done Babylon Central when them piss up and rank. Come again with it. A Jack Current. Some boys say them a bad man, them no bad. Make the police them tell about badness. Jack Current, hear them. Sorry, Harris made it know what the song we sing and jail out. And them no care how you ball and beg you not get no bail out. Your last me tell you about. Sorry, Harris made it know what the song we sing and jail out. And them no care how you ball and beg you not get no bail. Look. Him mother want him till she cry, him act like him no hear. Say badness no pay and them say him no care. Broad daylight in the middle of the square. Big 45 him have a bus in the air. Loud in the street and the cops them go here. Them grab him and them puff him and them pull him by the hair. The judge try the case and give him plenty. Now we men up behind bars and I swear. Sorry, Harris made it know what the song we sing at jailhouse. And they no care how you ball and beg you not get no bail out. Warning. Sorry, Harris made it know what the song we sing at. Don't take up. You know some I left from far. All I want no bad mind, nobody make. I'm telling you, play low. Just the dirty hard people. Now, them think that all that's glitter and gold, that's why them sell them soul. Oh, and to them worry, but them never saw, that's why them skull a fever. Hey, them think all that's glitter and gold, so them go sell them soul. Hey, and to them worry, but them never saw, that's why. Look, let me teach you now. Go. Me say no grudge the man for way him have, don't know how him get it. Don't know what him been through, don't know why him sweat it. So look for where you want and one day you will get it. Life ain't no better roses, but I want to stop and check it, yo. Stand up firm and on 2 feet. Work hard and pray and shall we make ends meet. No afraid I and sell out like chicken meat. Now them down on a different street. Cause them think all that's glitter and gold, so them go sell themselves. Me not stay long. Me have a next show. Me love you know you last to know I'm the people. A Millennium Current. Give me the happy hour, brother.
Remember we have a long line.
Yes, mama, last one. Me not stay long. I you last. Alright? Pull up and me represent again at the last one. Me can't leave it so. They don't know. I yell them people that work hard for them wow. Never step up. Never sell out. See them so. Give me that track there. I don't never bow. When you ready for some vibes in there, they want me more, but me want more down the place in a while. Hey, y'all, see it, yo. Boom. Straight like arrow, make them know we no powers. Rasta no beard and a golden shower. Anything in here, me just cook like sour. Nothing know that's from half and big power. Straight like arrow, make them know we no power. Rasta no beard and a golden shower. Anything in here, me just cook like sour. Low. Tell them this a correct, this a no stand pokey. Me no nyam poke, and me no nyam pokey. No girl can do no cherry juice, can't show me. No gone, y'all. No gone, a Millennium Current, no flow. Check me out, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, Reverb Nation, I'm there. Just a come out from the UK tour, and I head for the US one. So no flow.
General, yeah.